So how y'all doing? It's a new day, it's a new dawn, and it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Ah, your voice hurts my ears. Stop it now.
Okay, so guess what? Today morning I did workout.
Oh, I guess miracles
Stop
do
it on
come
an
true.
applause.
Now, please stop that and tell us what you are going to show in your video. Please.
Yeah. So actually, today morning after my workout, I made myself this protein drink, which is tasty. Anyways, so I decided to paint my glass bottle today. Make it something interesting from the boring piece. So in this video, I'll show you guys how I painted my glass bottle and made it from a simple glass bottle to an interesting showpiece. So I hope you all enjoy it. Watch it till the end.
So, first, let us put the newspaper on the table or your work area so that you don't get scolding from your mummy. Now, we will start off painting our bottle. First, we will keep the base white with acrylics. Now I went up to my terrace so that I can make my white paint on the bottle dry. Now as we have got our bottles dry up, now we will sketch our design on it, and here I have done a very traditional artwork of India. I also painted some flowers on the back side of the bottle.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and come back for more. Hit that subscribe button to help me grow. Thank you for watching. Peace.